That's a hit. Do it again. That's a hit. There you go. 200 yards. That's one. Try that. All right, folks, we're back again at Harrison Creek and Gun Club with the Ruger 1022 custom shop. Some people call it long range. I have. We are back with SK Standard Plus and SK Rifle Match. Our faithful trigger cam. And as I rotate, but today we are at 100 yards. Somewhere down there is the 100 yards mark. Thank you for watching, and let's get shooting. All right, folks, we are back. SK Standard Plus, 100 yards, and the Ruger 1022 custom shot. We're going to shoot that left upper target, right where I'm aiming. Here we go. All right, folks, I think I need to load around. Almost an SCM. I noticed. You can count that one. Haha. Yeah, right there. Taking my time and squeezing on the Excel. Whoa, that one went left. All right, folks, there you have it. 10 rounds of, sorry about that, of SK Standard Plus. Start grouping at the end, a little erratic right there. I'll take that at 100 yards on a 22 any day. I know we can shoot better than that, so stand by as we try SK Rifle Match. See if we can do better than the SK Standard Plus. Stand by as we switch magazines. Alright, folks, we are back with SK Rifle Match. Look at that group down here. That was me trying to find the zero right there. And there look like no wind. And let's do the top target. Right there where I'm aiming. Alright, so let's load around. Alright, got the magazine in. Let's get comfy. Right there. There's the wind. little bit to the left there. Whoa, that one moved left. All right, folks, well, there you have it. Looks like the SK Standard Plus. It looks the same. Oh, maybe a little tighter. All right, folks, stand by as we go down range and get a closer look. All right, folks. So a little bird came and said you have to shoot this again. So here we are. We're going to do 10 more rounds of SK Rifle Match at the center target, and then we do 10 more rounds of SK Standard Plus at the top target. Here we go. 10 rounds. SK Rifle Match, 100 yards. Right there. Hey. Whoa. That one went to the right. Yeah, another one to the right. All right, folks, that is 10 rounds of SK Rifle Match. Let's find that target. There it is. Let's do 10 rounds of SK Standard Plus. All right. SK Standard Plus. Top target. Here we go. 100 yards. Yeah, that one. Hey, hey. Oh. We have a meat feed. Stand by. First time. Actually, yeah, it was a misfit. All right, folks, let's put that round back in there. Stand by. Take a look at that dirt right there. Here we go. There we go. Little high. All right, folks, there you have it. 10 more rounds of SK Standard Plus. In this group, looked like a SK Standard Plus did a little better. Now, really, let's go down range and take a closer look. Stand by. All right, folks, here we are down the 100 yards line. This is the first group of SK Standard Plus. That was the 0. Some of them here low. And that was that first group, Standard Plus. And over here, Rifle Match, the 0. And the first group, right? Then we did the second group, Rifle Match, Standard Plus. With the exception of that one there, I think Standard Plus did better on the second group, the Rifle Match. Let me know what you think, guys. That Standard Plus is pretty good. Not one whole group, maybe 2 inches. However, for a semi, I'll take that. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun, be safe, God bless. See you next time.